Introducing Bottle Industries Motorized Bicycle Chain Tensioner. As you can see, you have your regular tensioner pulley, and you have a spring. The function, as you can see, is it is going to give you the correct amount of tension in the chain and resolve a lot of problems. Now, here is the original tensioner. What happens is, when you throttle on and off the gas, the chain, this thing takes up all the pressure of the chain. And a lot of people are having problems where they put this bracket on and it twists into your spokes. By adding the tensioner, the spring-loaded tensioner, it's going to relieve a lot of that pressure that was causing the problem. Now, as you can see in this video, I've welded the original tensioner to the frame so that can't happen, falling into the spokes, and then we've added the new style chain tensioner. What we've done though for you, the customer, is we've taken the original chain tensioner, okay? What I recommend you do is drill a hole in the center right here, and drill a hole in your frame right here, so that will prevent this bracket from falling into your spokes, so it can't twist, okay? Then we've taken the back here, and instead of having a bolt, we've welded a bolt. And the reason we've done that is, if you look here, you'll see if we had a bolt here, you wouldn't be able to have the chain right here. The chain would hit the bolt on the back of the bracket. Okay, so we've gotten rid of the bolt on the back by welding it to the bracket. Okay, this way you can have the chain way down here. Depending on where your motor sits, high or low on the frame will depend where your chain sits. Now, if my chain was up here, then this would rotate up to take up the slack, and all you would have to do is take the spring that we supply with the kit, cut the spring shorter to compensate for the difference of where your tensioner sits, and then just reconnect it. And that's all there is to it. Now, like I said, we've welded the bolt on the back, so we've given you plenty of clearance. We've also, if you look at the bottom here of the tensioner, you'll see there's a little weld spot here. That's actually a dowel pin. It's a stopper. It stops it from going too far. Okay, it's a dowel pin, and you can see from this side, let's see if we can see the dowel pin. You can see the dowel pin in there. Anyway, there's a dowel pin. We'll go to the other side so you can take a look. But everything is welded on this. So you can see here on the back where the chain would have hit the bolt. The bolt is now welded, so it can't hit. You also have a dowel pin for a stopper, which is just underneath the pulley, so you can't see it. And as you can see, the pulley does not hit here. You actually are going to space your pulley, see, and it doesn't hit. Now, this is basically in the standard location that it would have normally been in, and you take your pulley off, so the pulley is still sitting in the same exact location it would have been sitting in from the factory. And all we've done is added our special system here that we have, and it's tested, it's proven, it works awesome. Let me also recommend, if you're able to, if you have access to a welder, rather than drilling, what I recommended was drilling the hole in here. If you actually could get this bracket situated where you wanted it, tighten the bolts, I'd recommend running a bead, a weld, on this side of the bracket and on this side of the bracket. Then it would never move, and you can still take it on and off as need be. So this is our new design. We will have it listed on our website shortly. And thank you for visiting our video. Thank you.